So this is not the color. The see the way it blend with the color, the background, and the Pepsi blend together, looking very, very okay. We're looking very good. So what are we going to do next? So I want to add the Pepsi right up. I want to add the Pepsi right up to make it look more professional. So I'll just come to text here. Just come to text. Just come to this A. Then come to your text. Then write what you want to write. Pepsi. So let me come to our math board. If you like to use it, you can use it. If you don't like, it's okay. It's okay. But for more accurate placements, you can use it. So I'll be using it. So look at our Pepsi is in the middle. It's in the middle of the drawing board is at the middle. So that is why you need your maths board. So after that, so let's change the fonts. Let's change this font to a better font. So you come to your font. So let me give it a very catchy font, a very fancy font. So let me work with the fonts you let me work with my own font. So if you are designing your own, you use any fonts in your pixellab that is more preferable, that you like, that can fit what you are designing. So let me use my own, the one that I love to use. So this is one I'll be using. So I want to do something creative. So I don't want to just put it like that on just on top. I want to do something creative, something really cool. So let me zoom in. I want to make it very cool. Let me zoom back. So let me add some other elements. So our design is forming a little bit. It's coming to life. So let me add some things inside to make it look more matured. So I want you to follow me step by step. Do exactly what I'm doing. Do exactly. Duplicate what I'm doing. Do exactly what I'm doing. I want you to do exactly what I'm doing. So I've copied this same image. I've copied it. So I want to send it to the back. So I'll come to back. See, it's at the back already. Okay. So this the function of this lock is to lock your design, to lock your image, so that it will not be moving anyhow. This lock icon. So lock your image so that your image will not be moving to and fro. Like for instance, I've locked the image now. Let me show you how it works. So now this is the image I locked. So it cannot move. It will just be where it is. So let me address this one. So let me add some creative. Let me make it more detailed. Sorry. So I'll add shape. So I want to make a shadow, the shadow of our Pepsi. I want to create a shadow. So I'll come to circle. Please just follow what I'm doing. I know even if you don't understand, but just follow exactly what I'm doing. Just do exactly what I'm doing, and you will see the results. You just do exactly what I'm doing. So this is it. I want to create a shadow from this circle. What look at the way I will create the shadow now. So first of all, I went to shape. We all know where shape is. We'll come to this plus icon here. Then click it, enter shape. So this is shape now. So I picked circle. See, you can pick any shape you want to use, but circle is best for this, for what I'm about to do. So now let me change this shape now to shadow. So what am I going to do first? I will come to transparent, opacity. Sorry, I'll come to opacity. I'll come to opacity. Then I'll reduce it to the lowest so that you cannot see it now. Okay. So I've reduced it now to 0. So I've now come to shadow. You come to shadow. You come to shadow. Enter shadow. Look at now. The blob, the image now, the circle has turned to black. Has now become black. So I want to make this circle now to become more like a shadow. So after that now we'll come to 3D rotate. You enter 3D rotate. You come to this place. So I want to make flatten my ears, flatten the shadow so that it will look like a real shadow. So this is it. This is what I'm looking for. So I'm good to go. So this is the shadow. The shadow is too harsh. I want to make it a little bit blur. I want to blur the shadow. So let me come to, I will come to shadow again. Let me reduce this thing. Let me reduce the size. So this is, now I have now created shadow. So let me nudge it now to the right position. As you can see, our image is perfectly placed. It's well placed. It's very okay. So as you can see, everything now is in order. Everything is in order. Everything is in order. So let me duplicate this shadow to put. So let me zoom this this thing now. Let me zoom it so that you can place this thing very well. So that you will not make mistake, because our image, our distant board is very small. So that's why the zoom icon is there, so that you can zoom your image, zoom in and out. Please try and follow what I'm saying. Just try and understand. So the reason why I'm zooming the design, so that this our shadow can be placed in very well. That's why. So let's place it. So let's duplicate this guy. Duplicate. So our designer is taking shape. So let's have